Here we're going to show you how to use the Videos tool within the Tube Video Translator software. So the whole concept of this software is basically to help translate your video titles, descriptions, and subtitles in various languages for your videos on YouTube. And the cool part about the software is you don't have to go and re-upload any videos. In fact, you don't have to upload any videos. It's videos that are already inside your account now. We can just apply these translations, and I'll show you how you can basically semi-automate the whole process through all these videos here. But let's just start with how to use the Videos tool. So what we want to do is get our videos into this grid here so we can start doing our processing. So what you can do is you can manually put your video links right in here from your channel. So you just have to go ahead and paste them in here one at a time. For example, if I head on over to YouTube real quick here. Actually, I'll log in there with a incognito browser, so it's private. So, in how to make money.
Hey friends, welcome back.
Okay, so say this is your video. You could grab the link right here, and you can right click and copy, and you want to paste it in here, and that's how you can do your video links one at a time, one video link per line. But I'm not going to do it in that way. I want to show you a better way of doing it by using the integrated web browser. So go ahead and click this, and I'm just going to make this a little bigger here. And in here you can go to your YouTube. So we have some, you see on the left hand side here, this is the bookmarks. So to show and hide the bookmarks, you can just do that. And what I want to do is go over to YouTube, and I want to log into one of my accounts. Now we do have an ability to actually store your logins within the software. Now it's completely optional and they are encrypted, but you don't have to. It's just for convenience. So if you go up here and you'll see this little user pass, if you click on that, you'll notice, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. User pass, you want to click on settings. You can also get access to settings by clicking settings on the toolbar up here. And you'll see in here, there's YouTube logins. And in here, you can add multiple logins. So if you have multiple YouTube accounts, you can come in here, or client accounts or whatever. So this is where you would add it. So you click add, and I'm going to go and add one of mine right now. Click done. Now if you'd like to see the password, you can click this little show button. It will temporarily show the password, and then when you release that button, it'll go back to hidden. Again, these passwords are stored on your computer in a file, but that file has encrypted this information, so people can't actually get access to it. So I go ahead and click apply, and now what I want to do is bring that browser back up, and we'll notice when you click up here, we have our option, our login came up. And so now what we can do is we can quickly just copy our email here, and now I can go Control V on my keyboard and click next. And I want to get my password, Control V, next. And it's so simple to log in. Now I actually have two-step verification for my YouTube account, so I have to go on my phone temporarily here and just approve it. There we go. Now we're in. And so what I like to do is go to my channel. Now this is a channel that I actually don't use that much, so I don't have a lot of data in here to use. I spend most of my time designing software, so I'm not a YouTube enthusiast, to be honest. But anyhow, I do have a little channel here with a few subscribers and some videos that have been up here for millennia. Anyhow, I just want to use this for an example to show how to use the software. So once I'm on my page, I like to go to my channels and my videos. I like to do a little refresh here. And then my videos are all here. Now, if you have like hundreds and hundreds of videos, what you'd want to do is you can click this auto scroll here, and it will start auto scrolling the page, and you'll see it starts to count. And when it gets down to the bottom, you can stop it, or you can manually scroll it yourself until all the videos are revealed inside this integrated web browser. I'm just going to go ahead and close these bookmarks over here. And over here, what you could do is you just click on extract video links. And there we go. Extracted all 24 videos that are in my account. And now I can go and click add. But before I do that, I do just want to mention the bookmarks here. Bookmarks are pretty self-explanatory. If you want to add bookmarks at all within this integrated web browser, you just simply hit the bookmarks button up here, and now we can add the bookmark. You can name a label. This is the link, and this is where you'd like to put the actual bookmark within a folder. If it's not in a folder, it'll just kind of appear below. So that's how you can create them. And in here, you can get access to all the controls by right-clicking, and you can do things like create, edit, delete, create a folder. Very self-explanatory, easy to use, so I just want to mention that. So over here, what you want to do is click on Add Links once we got all our video links, and now they're just added here. So instead of manually going to YouTube and grabbing your links, that little tool just makes it a lot faster. So now that we have our links in here, one thing you want to do is come over here and select Auto Save Data so that we don't have to do that in the future. Obviously, if you have different channels and whatnot, you want to be doing this procedure for different channels. You can actually open up another instance of this software you'd like. All you have to do is double click the Tube Video Translator icon on your desktop, and it'll just open up another version of the software. But anyways, let's go click Video Data. And what it's doing is going out and grabbing all the video data of my videos that are in that particular channel. So it grabs the ID, link, title, description, characters in the title, views, likes, comments, the length in seconds published, in their age and days, views per day, subtitles. So whether or not this video has subtitles, and the subtitle count, and the subtitle languages. So this is where you'd like to come in here, and you want to basically add more subtitles, and you want to also add translations for your titles and your descriptions for your videos. So now you can have a little information here and see what you're doing. So whenever you close the software and you got this auto save data, it will automatically just save the data. And so when you close it, so I'm just going to close it, and I'll just open it up again here. Where are we at? So it's just opening up, and once it opens up and you go into the videos, all our videos will still be there. And at any given time, if you'd like to re-download the statistics, you just go re-extract data in table. Just hit that, and it goes through and does it again. Now, I definitely haven't had any action on this channel for a long, long time, because I don't really use it that much. I use it for basically demonstration purposes. So that's basically the bulk of how you use the videos tool. So the whole purpose of this part is you want to get the videos into the videos tool, so then you can take these and send them over to the translator. So we'll do that in another video, but I do want to show you a few other things here. You can save your file here. You could save this to a project file, and we can just make a folder here. Let's call this Tube Video Translator. Oh, there's already one named that. Where is it now? There it is. So I already got one in here. We'll make a new one here. Tube Video Translator 2. So we'll save our file in here. So now we can save it and use it for later. You can also save other formats to CSV or text. And then of course you can load it in. Now, just like most of my other software, you also have access to quick filters at the top. So if you want to search in here, you can just simply type, same with description. And there's also, views and likes, instant filters in here. You just have to click and you can clear them here. You also have access to the custom filters down here, show custom filters, and to use the custom filters, just click in here and just select what you want. Compare type, contains, apply. You can also remove your filters in here. So you can also save a filter file. I don't think you'd be using filters that often within your own videos in here, but just in case, they are there ready for you to use. And you do have a few options here for the other window, little input here for your video links. You can save your links to a file. You can also import them from a text file. You can even import them from a project file as well. That's basically how you use it. Anything else I'm missing? Oh, right. If you right click on the grid, you do have some other options: access to filters, copying data, searching the internet, auto fit columns, reset column widths, delete highlighted and selected. items. So I do want to explain, when you click on here, or if you right click and you go check boxes, you'll see it says select checks for highlighted rows. Highlighted means you see when you click anywhere in a cell, that cell is highlighted. So wherever it's highlighted on that whole row, that basically essentially means that entire row is highlighted. So if you kind of hold down the control key and you do a couple like that, and you go select checks that are highlighted, those 3 rows will be highlighted, as you can see here, or sorry, not highlighted, selected. So when you see select, select means when you select the checkbox. So I want to select all rows, it'll select them all. Click there, unselect all. And so that sort of works with all the different things here. You'll see it says selected, highlighted. So I just want you to know the difference between selected and highlighted. Highlighted is when you see the cell highlighted, and selection is when you select the checkbox here. So that's how you use the videos tool, and I'll see you in the next video.